Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a coloring book that you can later on sell on Amazon, KDP or Amazon with the help of AI. Now if you try to take a look at coloring books on Amazon, you'll be able to find multiple styles and a lot of different coloring books, and you can actually create books like this with the help of AI. There's a lot of AI tools that can help you. One of them is DaVinci AI, and I'm going to show you how to use this later on. And another one that I know can work really well is Midjourney. And you can find Midjourney in Discord. All you have to do is go and explore some server, type in Midjourney, and then you'll find this Midjourney options right here. Now the downside of Midjourney is they don't have free trial, so you will have to pay or subscribe to one of their plan in order to be able to create images and use it for commercial purpose. But it's quite easy to create coloring pages with Midjourney, and if you would like to, you can just go ahead and take a look at their membership and choose one and start creating your coloring page with Midjourney. Now we're going to leave Midjourney for a bit and try to create a coloring page with DaVinci.ai. So first thing first, we're going to want to create a prompt over here. For today, let's say that I want my prompt to be mandala coloring page flower. Mandala coloring page. And as for the style, you'll be able to choose some styles, but some of them will need you to subscribe to their pro plan. And let's see, what kind of style do I want to use? Maybe I'm gonna go with this tattoo art one. It looks really cool, and I want to say that I need a white background for this coloring page. Next, you're going to want to set on the model. So there are two models that you can choose. Either you want to use SDXL or Midjourney. Let's say I'm going to use the Midjourney one. And as for the ratio, most of the ratio will need you to use their pro plan, so I'm going to stick with the square one. And once you're done with your prompt, you can go ahead and click on generate. Alright, so here is our pictures. We've got the mandala flowers, and you can save this image first before we go to the next step. The downside of DaVinci AI, if you're not using the pro plan, is they're only going to give you 3 credits on the sort of free trial version. So if you need more credits, you can go ahead and buy more, or you can unlock their pro plan. But overall, they produce quite a good pictures. Let's take a look at the pictures that they gave us. So this is how it looks like. The line isn't very crisp, but you can always re-edit these pictures, whether in Photoshop or Photopea later on, before you use this picture as one of the pages on your coloring books. Now that we try the DaVinci.ai, I'm going to try one more AI tool, which is Canva AI image generator. To use the AI tools on Canva, all you have to do is scroll all the way down until you find this Magic Media option. But if you can't, you can just go to apps, either search Magic Media on the search bars right here, or again scroll down and you'll find this Magic Media option. So this is also an AI image generator. All you have to do is add a prompt. Let's say I want it to be coloring page, and I'm not going to choose any style for that prompt. I'm going to use portrait as my aspect ratio and start generating my image. And here is the result. Now I can use this picture as my coloring page. All I have to do is click on the pictures and put it into my canvas, and then adjust on where I want to put these pictures in. Now it might seem a little bit boring if we only have just the pictures on the coloring page, so I think I'm going to need the help of ChatGPT to create some information for my coloring book pages. So I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask them to create a table consisting of names of maybe flowers or butterflies and fun facts about them. Alright, so here's the result. I ended up asking ChatGPT to create 24 types of flowers name, as well as some fun facts about them. So the reason why I only create 24 is because that is the minimum page that you will need when you're trying to create a coloring books to be sell on Amazon KDP. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy all of this and move it into a document. Now that I've moved the data from the ChatGPTs into a document, and since the data they created are about flowers, I'm going to try and generate some flowers pictures. So instead of butterfly, I'm going to say flower, my background coloring page, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to create a border for my canvas, because in Amazon KDP it's very important for you to know the border of your pages so that you will not have any pictures being cropped because you don't know where the borders are. So I can actually go to Amazon KDP calculator in order to download a template that you can later on use, not just for the pages but as well as for the cover of your coloring books. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some details and download the template. Alright, now that I got all of my pictures generated as well as the templates from Amazon KDP calculator, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this so that it's going to fit into my design. Now that I got it, I'm going to create a margin following the red lines because that is the bleed area. So I'm just going to pull in lines like this, and last one is for the one at the bottom. Okay, now that I've created the margin, I'm going to go to File, go to Settings, and going to go ahead and lock the guide so that it's going to appear on all of the page that I'm going to create. So now that we got the guideline as well as the pictures, it's time to insert the information that we got from the ChatGPT. In order to do that, we can go to Apps and then go to find bulk creation, and you can choose whether you want to upload the data and add your documents over here. And it's going to read all of the data that you have. Click on continue. And then you're going to want to add a text box on your design so that you can connect on the bulk data that you've just inserted into your design. So I'm going to go ahead and add a heading box, which is going to be the name of the flower. And I'm going to change the font. Let's change it to maybe this one, and then I'm going to create another one, and it's going to be positioned below my picture. And I'm going to expand on the text box as well as making the text smaller. Alright, now that I got it, I'm going to go ahead and copy this into all of my other pages. Once it's done, you're going to go back into your bulk create and then go ahead and click on the triple dot on top of your text box and click on connect data. Now the first text box is going to be the one for the flower type. Meanwhile, the second box is going to be the one for the fun fact. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, and it's going to show all of the data that I have. Now, since I only created 8 pages for now, I'm just going to not select all of the data, but if you already have all of your 24 pages ready, you can definitely insert all of the data. I'm just going to start with 8 for now. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Generate 8 Design. And there we go. Now we have all of the data inserted into our pages as easy as that. Now obviously you're going to want to create some adjustment if the pictures ended up not fitting as how you want it to be, or maybe like this one, it ended up having a background colors. You can always use Canva photo editor to help you remove that background color, and now you got a clean picture. As for this one, it looks like the picture is being cut off. You can use the magic expand option and expand the pictures however you want. And once you're done, you can just add some more decoration or just tidy up some stuff so that it's going to look better. Or maybe if you have pictures that are going to make the text sort of invisible, you can add a barrier behind that text. Just make sure you don't go above the margin so that it will not be cut out when it's being printed later on. Once you tidy up all of your pictures, you can then create a cover with the help of the templates that you got from KDP, and then you can save your file and sell it on KDP. And that is how you can create a coloring page with the help of AI image generator. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.